When I'm looking to buy a car to make a profit, I have one rule. No deal is better than a bad deal. I found a Ford Focus for $500, hoping this will be a great car to flip.
She's coming out. She'll break.
All right. So you don't know what's wrong with it?
No, nothing was wrong with it when I drove it. It's just been sitting for a couple of years, so I assume things probably deteriorate over time. Like I know it doesn't start. It probably needs a new battery. We've tried like charging it and stuff.
Would you take 200? I will take it for 200 bucks.
For 300?
200.
200? Yeah.
Okay. After we made a deal, she sent up the title to my name. The only thing I was concerned about was how many miles is on the car. The battery is dead, and she did not remember how many miles was on the car. License plate tabs were expired in 2018. The last time they changed oil was in December 2017, and it had 166,000 miles. Today is March 2022. After I towed the car home, I was excited to see how many miles the car has because it will make a big difference for how much I can sell it for. 170,000 miles was less than I expected to see. Now it is the next step. Will it actually start? Oh wow, it starts right away, but it is working rough. Seems like it is misfiring. So I decided to pull spark plug wires to see which cylinder was not working, and it was first and a third cylinder. So I assumed it is defective coil. I bought a brand new coil from AutoStore. Took me about 6.5 minutes to replace it, and now I'm ready to test it out again. Since it is running great, now I can start cleaning and getting ready to sell the car. After I made the car look good, I took great photos. Photos can be extremely valuable to potential buyers, and it helps sell any car faster. I usually add some fresh gas and drive it for about an hour so I know for sure it has no problems. After I cleaned it up and made it run like a champ, now it worth about $2,500. I posted the car on Facebook, and in the next 6 hours one college kid showed up and offered me $2,100. I hope you enjoyed this video and please consider subscribing to my channel.